Welcome to Columbia Ford Kia. Here is a review of the 2012 Kia Sportage. Today we're going to review the 2012 Sportage, get an exhaust clip, and take it around the lot for a quick drive. The Sportage features LED headlights as well as tail lights. This one comes with a 2.4 four-cylinder engine producing 176 horsepower and 169 foot-pounds of. You can also select a 2-liter turbo GDI engine with 260 horsepower and 269 foot-pounds of torque and dual exhaust. Accompanying these powertrain options include a 6-speed Sportmatic automatic transmission. Simply shift into drive and throw it over to go up or down in your gear changes, or put it back to drive for your day-to-day needs. The Sportage comes standard with front-wheel drive. However, if you're in need of greater traction, Kia also offers Dynamax all-wheel drive for superior traction control. The Sportage comes with McPherson suspension and continually variable valve time. All these performance options can mean up to 33 miles per gallon on the highway. In addition to the rest of its standard features, Sportage comes with rollover sensors, which allows for a more promptly responding side airbag to deploy. In the event of a crash, your headrest will also move forward to avoid whiplash. Kia floor mats are also standard with the cargo protection liner. With just the pull of a lever, you have under-seat storage or under-mat storage in the trunk to hide a little bit more. You know, put some more groceries in there. Do whatever you have to do. So now that we've seen the exterior, let's see the interior. Has this ever happened to you? Well, now if you have the key fob in your pocket, you simply hit this button and it unlocks. Key fob is in my pocket. You hit it again, it locks. Once again, unlocks. So now we're inside. White leather stitching over black leather interior, all perforated. Power windows throughout, power mirrors, and power lock. Perforated black leather allows for air to circulate through, acting more as a air conditioning seat than just regular leather. Push to start ignition. Heated and cooled driver's seat, as well as a heated passenger seat. Dual zone climate control. Auxiliary and USB inputs for your favorite tunes from your iPod or phone to be inserted into the jukebox that holds about as many songs as an iPod. Satellite radio allows for you to listen to 130 of your favorite channels. No matter what you're feeling like listening to, there's always something for you on Sirius. Of course, you have AM/FM stations. Same song playing on the station. Also, standard navigation system is in the SX model. This is the EX, so it's an option. It can even tell you emergencies on the road that you're going to. Kia kept the customer in mind and is avoiding traffic for you. The steering wheel allows you to toggle the volume, use your phone, do voice commands.
Command, please.
As well as adjust your cruise control. Kia has teamed up with Microsoft to create the UVO software, allowing you to store 700 megabytes of your favorite music in the jukebox, as well as use Bluetooth, toggle with a touchscreen, and even use HD radio and have great features such as a backup camera. So let's take a closer look around. So now we're in the back seat. Cup holders in each side, as well as in the center console. You ever hear an airplane outside of your car and look up and find that there's no sunroof to see it? Well, you're in luck. Kia's given you a panoramic sunroof throughout, so you and your passengers can enjoy the views of the sky. Rear seats also allow for folding and for greater cargo room. so you can put whatever you need back in the Sportage. 7 exterior and 6 interior options make for 42 different combinations on the Sportage. And who could forget the 18-inch alloys that set the car off wonderfully. So now we've reviewed the Sportage, let's get an exhaust. So this is the part that can seal the deal with the Sportage, the drive. We're going to take it around the lot a few times, I'll explain a few features, and it'll be like your own virtual test track. So I hope you enjoy. So here we go in the Sportage. It's the 2012. This one doesn't have the GDI, instead it has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. That's okay though. Once again, it has about 170 horsepower. 176 to be exact, with 169 foot-pounds of torque. It's not too bad, but however, the turbo GDI does have a leg up on the competition, owing to its 270 horsepower engine. We'll be reviewing that soon. However, this is a very good car in itself. The sticker price on this is $30,000 and $650 on top of that. If you came down here, I'm sure we could work something out. The Sportage is a very hot vehicle right now, so don't let that deter you from checking it out sometime. Very sporty, a lot of fun to drive. Not like many other, crossovers or SUVs where they're big and bulky. This is quick, agile, fun to drive, fuel efficient, you name it, it's got it, and it's, best of all, affordable. It's probably one of the easiest cars to drive around day to day. Sportmatic, we're not going to use that right now. You really don't need to, but it does help if you're looking to help your fuel economy situation and increase your power on hills and whatnot. So we're at Columbia Ford Kia, 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut. This is the 2012 Kia Sorento EX. Actually, it's the Sportage, sorry. Sorrento's coming soon. Once again, 2012 Kia Sportage. This is Toph the Demo Dude. Make sure you give us a call at 860-228-2886 or 228-AUTO. Check us out online, www.columbiaford.com. Kias are also on that website, so it's columbiaford.com for all your needs at the dealership. And don't forget to like our Facebook page. We're always giving some cool stuff away on there. You can check our inventory all the time, stay up to date on our latest incentives, and just check out what we're doing over here at Columbia. We're Eastern Connecticut's largest Kia and Ford dealer. I hope you enjoyed. This is Toph the Demo Dude. Thanks for watching.